Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. How are you guys? Today we are going to start lesson 2 of chapter 5, which is adding how to add decimals. And thank you very much guys for watching and learning here. You guys are the best audience. So let's begin our today's session. So adding decimals is pretty easy. So there are different patterns of how you're getting questions in exams. So we'll discuss both of these two types of two different varieties of questions. So question number 1 is 0.95. Remember, we are not allowed to pronounce this as 0.95. That is a wrong pronunciation. So whenever you're going to pronounce numbers that are after the decimal point, pronounce them individually. So it's 0.95 plus 7.21. So question has already been organized, has been written in organized form for you. You just need to add them. So this is simple addition. So we are going to start it from the extreme right side. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 9 plus 2 is 11. So we are not allowed to write 11 collectively at the bottom, so I'm going to write 1 here, and 1 goes on the carry at the top of the neighborhood digit. So always circle these carries, so this will help you to remind this is not a part of original question. So this is simply we apply the rule of addition. So 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 7 is 8. The question is, where should we put the decimal point? So see, there in the question there are how many digits after the decimal point. So there are 2 digits, so you can pick any of these two numbers. So there are 2 digits, so simply we put decimal point in a place so that we are having 2 digits after the decimal point. So this is our decimal point, right? It is not like this you start adding these numbers after the decimal point, so it will become 1 2 3 4. That is wrong. Okay, next question is 9.66 plus 4.34. So simply add them. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 goes on carry. The next neighborhood digits, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So again write 0. 0 at the bottom. 1 goes on the carry. And 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So where should we put this decimal point? In a place so that we are having 2 digits after the decimal point. So where should we put it? Right here. So our answer is 14 or simply 14.00. Both are same thing. Next, 7 plus 3 is 10. So 0 here, 1 goes on the carry. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 0. So 1 goes on the carry. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So we write 3 at the bottom and 1 goes on the carry. And 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So where should we write the decimal point? Since there are 3 digits in the question after the decimal point, so we should place our decimal point in the position so that we are having 3 digits after it. So our answer is 1.3 or simply 1.300. Since there is no worth of these zeros after the decimal point, right? Okay, next question number 4. So in this question has been written for you in an horizontal way. Now you have to figure it out by yourself. So first we are going to write them in an vertical way. So it's become 620.8. And the next number is 9.2. So now where should I write this number 9.2? Either here like this or here like this. So see, the clue is simple. Always put the decimal point below the decimal point. So this is decimal point, so write decimal point here. Now what is the number? 9.2. So simply write 9.2 here. Now we just need to add these numbers. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 goes on carry. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 goes on carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. And this, there is no number with it to add, so simply shift this 6 down. So now where should we write the decimal point? At this position. Why? Because in the question there is 1 digit after the decimal point. So we have to put the decimal point in the position so that we are also having 1 digit after it. So my answer is 630. right? Okay, next question is 6.5. Okay, write 6.5. And then we have 774.21. So first write decimal point. Now 774 and 0.21. So remember, you always place these numbers in their right place values, right? The place value of this digit is 10th, so the place value of this digit is also 10. Now simply add these numbers. Okay, now if there are no numbers here, so you can put 0 for your own convenience here, right? It will easy for you to add them. So 0 plus 1 is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, put the decimal point. 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 goes on carry, and 1 plus 7 is 8, and 0 plus 7 is 7. So our final answer is 780.71, right? Okay, next 43 plus 12.21. Now we are going to add a normal whole number or a natural number with a decimal number. So just write 43 here, and the next number is 12.21. But first we have to decide where is the decimal point in this number. So remember, by default in mathematics, if it is not showing to you the decimal point, it's always here on the extreme right side. So now you can put 0 or not, it is up to you. So just put the second decimal point here, and the number is 12.21. Now you can put 0 here if you want, because after the decimal point there is no value of these zeros. So simply add them. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, put the decimal point. 3.3 plus 2 is 5, and 4 plus 1 is also 5. So this is our final answer. The next very question is 2.16 and 21.6. So just put first the decimal point and then 21.6. So now in order to fill the gaps, you can put zeros here and 1 0 here. Now simply add them. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 6 is 7, put the decimal point. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 0 plus 2 is 2. So this is our final answer, which is 23.76. Okay, let's solve these questions now. So now we are going to solve these two numbers. So let me just write these numbers. 246.891, and then we are having 5.200. So first just put the decimal point, and then at the unit place we are having 5, and then we are having 200. Now we simply need to add these numbers, fill the gap with the zeros. Now simply add them. 1 plus 0 is 1, 9 plus 0 is 9, 8 plus 2 is 10. Write 0 at the bottom, 1 goes on the carry of the neighborhood digit. And then we are having 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Don't forget to put the decimal point. 4 plus 0 is 4, this is decimal point. And 2 plus 0 is 2. So this is our final answer. Easy? Yeah, this is easy. So now we are adding the 4 numbers at the same time. So this is not hard but little lengthy. So just first write all these numbers in an order. So this is 5.26. The next number is 81.037. So just write the decimal point. This will help you to allocate the remaining numbers at the right position. So this is 81.037, and 7. The next very number is 4.7. So put the decimal point. Now write the numbers in their right places. And the last very number is 202.36. So write 202 and then we are having 3 6. Now we have to add all these numbers, but let me just first fill these gaps with zeros. So this is 0 here, since we are having 5 digits, and this is 0 here. Then we are having 0 here and 0 here. Then we are having 0 here, 0 here, and okay, this is an extra thing, putting these zeros. This is just for your understanding that you have been placed these numbers in their right positions, right? Now simply add these numbers. So 0 plus 7 plus 0 plus 0 is 7, and 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. Write 5 at the bottom and 1 goes on carry. Okay, let me just change the color. So 1 goes on carry. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. 1 goes on carry. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 2 is 13. And don't forget to put this decimal point. Okay, let me recheck. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 7, plus 4 11, plus 2 13. Right, 3 at the bottom, 1 goes on carry. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 8 9, plus 0 9, plus 0 9. And then we are having simply 2. So this is our final answer, which is 293.357, right? So adding these decimals is pretty much easy as it is adding simple numbers. The rule is quite simple. So here comes to an end of our today's session. Stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling, and thank you once again guys for watching and learning here. Keep learning and stay safe out there, and remember me in your prayers. See you after.
I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to